Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next lesson in the Su-25 Cadet series. This time we're going to learn how to drop unguided bombs. We have the following bomb. From the outmost left we have two bombs at 250 kilograms each. They are fragmentation high explosive bombs. Then we have a 500 kilogram high explosive fragmentation bomb. In the innermost pylon we have 4 times 100 kilograms fragmentation bomb. When you're loading out your bombs, it is very important to have the heaviest ordnance the closest to you. The reason for that is you have a much better balance, and also if you only drop one bomb, let's say from the left wing, if I have a 500 kilograms in the outermost pylon on my left wing, I drop that bomb, suddenly my right wing all the way out there will get 500 kilograms heavier. That is a problem, because if I'm diving at a target, I have pretty good airspeed. I drop the left bomb, suddenly I will start rolling to the right. If I plan on rolling out or egressing to the right, not only does the wing roll out to the right, I will also be rolling out to the right. That means I can suddenly roll inverted. And you think, well, just push to the left. Yes, but remember that all that momentum and all that weight, you have to first counter that before you are rolling to the left. So if you have an asymmetrical loadout, you need to remember how to control your aircraft. You need to be able to handle that difference in loadout and in balance. The balance is very important. So, how do you drop unguided bombs? You have two ways. You have CCIP, continuously calculated impact point. That is, in everyday term, dive bombing. Diving at a target, put the paper on the target and press, and boom. You also have another method. That is continuously calculated release point. That is, in everyday terms, understanding, level bombing, just like the B-52s in Vietnam and Lancasters and B-17 during World War II. Straight and level, and then just drop the bomb. The way you aim and the procedures are much alike, but there are a few very important differences. And of course we're gonna take a look at those during this lesson. To the left, just above your weapon status panel, you have, I need my mouse cursor here. The selector you have here on the right is the station selector. It selects which stations, or more precise, how many bombs you're dropping. If the selector is at the number 1, it means that one single bomb in total will drop at each button press. Remember what I said about asymmetrical loadout. It is very important to understand that, and the consequences of dropping just one bomb when you select that. The most, let's say, standard used way is number 2. That means 2 bombs, 1 bomb from each wing. The fire control computer or the weapon system will always try to drop bombs symmetrically. It will always try to drop the equal amounts from each side. And then you have number 4, that means 4 bombs in total, 2 from each wing. And lastly we have the that means all bombs. All the bombs will drop. Or all the bombs of that type is selected. Does not mean all the bombs on your wings. All the bombs of the type you have selected. To the left we have the interval selector, but due to a bug that has been in this system, this interval selector system for nearly a decade now, you cannot use 0.1 delay, you cannot use 0.2 delay, you cannot use 0.3 delay, you cannot use 0.4 delay. You can only use SALP, which means salvo, or CCIP NBD, which is used for the cluster canister. So when selecting SALP salvo, it means that there is no delay in the bomb drop. If you select 2 bombs or more, those 2 bombs will drop immediately, no delay. So if you only have selected 1 bomb, the interval selector do not have any function, because there's no point in selecting a delay for just 1 bomb. Let's move ahead to the most bombed island in DCS. I will line up for a CCIP bomb drop. That means I want to gain a little bit of speed, add to ground mode, lower my gun sight, place my pipper on the gun sight or on the target, and this time I want to make sure that I have changed my weapons to the 500 kilograms, and I have put the pipper on the target, turn on laser. I'm gonna aim in the middle of the convoy this time because the bombs are so huge. Waiting until get within range. In the range, drop. Lasers off. Boom! Perfect drop. Perfect drop. And as you saw, I egressed to the right, but I knew that I would be heavy on that wing. So, yeah, I was fully aware of that. And for some reason, I always, or practically always, go on to the right side. I don't know, but it just the right side. If I'm defending, I'm going to the left side most often. So that was CCIP dive bomb, air to ground mode. Select the weapon, select just one in this case, put the aiming paper on the target, laser on, wait until in range. When the paper walked up till my wanted impact point, I press the trigger just one time, just a press and let go, do not hold it. Next time this time we're going to use CCRP, continuously calculated release point. That means the good old-fashioned level bombing, if you like. The procedures are almost the same. It is just very important that you press and hold the trigger. Do not just press and let go, press and hold. So, and remember, the faster you go, the sooner the bomb releases. But it is in CCIP mode, it is preferred to not be in an accelerated or decelerated state, to have a level airspeed. Lasers on, I don't know, I always turn that on. And in the middle of camera, press and hold, and you see the bang indicator. It's very important to keep that level, to change that. And you heard that beep. That beep comes up 2 seconds before the release. Let's wait and see. Oh, a bit long, a bit long. It could be that I perhaps pulled too much during release, so I threw the bomb, and the weapons control system did not agree with me on that one. Okay, next one we have two 250 kilogram bomb under each wing. That means we can drop, let's say, 2 bombs in total, 1 from each wing. Let's go around and let's aim for the APCs once more. And remember that the fragmentation pattern is not modeled in DCS at the moment. Otherwise, those, or at least the rearmost APC would be Swiss cheese right now. Going to line up here. Let's try without the laser. No, not now, next time. Roll in, rough alignment, laser, good speed, wings level, waiting until within range. Up, press, release, lasers off. Boom! Sweet, sweet, sweet. And 1 bomb from the right wing, 1 bomb from the left wing. Perfect. And we killed something. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's do a CCRP with the 2 remaining bombs without the laser. And remember, when doing CCRP, it is very important to press and hold the trigger. If you regret bombing that point before release, just release the pressure and it kinda zeroes out or resets. That's the way. I can see the target, wings leveled, rough alignment, and press and hold. Whoops, sådan. That's it. Absolutely spot on. 1 bomb from the right wing and 1 bomb from the left wing. Perfect. So now we have 2 times 4 bombs. That means if we keep the settings on number 2, that means 2 bombs in total. The system does not know that we actually have 4 bombs on that pylon, so it will drop those 4 bombs and those 4 bombs, so 4 bombs in total. The easiest way to remember is that it is 1 bomb per, no, it is 1 pylon. If you say, oh, it drops 1 pylon, it is often easier to understand why it works as it does. So let's go to the tanks. Coming in and lining up, see if I can spot a target. I believe I have one right there. Press and hold. Changing the bank indicator. Wow. That indicator is messed up. Huh. Did we just find another bug? I'm releasing the trigger now. Or sometimes DCS is just a pure headache. Let's go for another run. And see what it does. Roughly lining up, finding our target, press and hold, chasing the bank indicator, up, 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 up. Beautiful. So a kind of carpet bombing, but not completely. But you understand? Yes, you get the point. So funny. Perhaps that was another bug. That would not surprise me. But now we know that to drop the 4 times FAB 100, we need to be at SALP on the interval selector, and we need to be at VC all on the, let's say, station selector. So that is how you drop unguided bombs in CCIP and CCRP in the Su-25 in DCS world. Happy hunting!